In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align objects in PowerPoint 2013 using the align options effectively. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work or a class project, aligning your objects properly can make your slides look polished and professional. Let's dive right into it and walk through these simple steps together. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have it open, head over to the presentation where you'd like to align your objects. If you're starting from scratch, you may want to add a few elements like images, text boxes, or shapes to your slide in order to practice along. Now locate the specific image or object you want to align. Simply click on it to select it. Selecting your object activates various editing options, allowing us to further manipulate how these elements sit and look on the slide. Once you have your object selected, look for the tab labeled Picture Format at the top of the window. This tab unlocks a wealth of options specifically tailored for adjusting images and shapes. Next, you'll find an option called Align. This is the key tool we'll be using today. Click on it to explore a drop-down menu that offers several ways to align your object. It's important to remember that these alignment options are going to be relative to either the slide itself or other objects on the slide. So, be mindful of how you want your overall layout to appear. In the drop-down menu, you can choose to align your objects to the left, center, or right of the slide. Additionally, options are available to align objects at the top, middle, or bottom. Each choice will shift your object to align with the respective edge or center point of the slide. This offers a high level of control over the exact positioning of your items. There are also features that allow you to distribute your objects evenly, whether it's horizontally across the slide or vertically. This is particularly useful when dealing with multiple objects, as it ensures an even spread and a tidy appearance without the need to measure manually. Some additional tips to keep in mind: using grid lines or guides can be incredibly helpful to visually judge the alignment as you adjust your objects. You can toggle these from the View tab at the top, and they won't be visible during your presentation. They're just there to help you during the design process. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with these settings until you find a layout that suits your presentation. Aligning objects on your slide doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these steps, you should find it quite straightforward, which will allow you to focus on the content and the message you're intending to deliver. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.